crazy, but you don't know how it feels. Stop and let me tell you.
Keep on your clothes, you don't even look good.
Novoo Pandorahh.
I am really so easy, and I'm back with the next banger, banger, banger. I want to big up Akim for the visual, because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't get that crispy footage, you know? Big him up in the comment section. Okay, today we're singing romantic songs to random Jamaicans. Are you that lucky one? Yeah, boy. Come on, people. Today's a banger, you know. Yo, man, big up on yourself because you know I support me like crazy. That month here right now is prank month. The month of February is prank month. I'm sorry for still, you know, because my prank them epic in my mind. So when I see it, gotta walk, you see it. More than 5,000 likes on this. Aki, what you think? 5,000 likes? 5,000 likes on this right now. Right before watching the man. Let's do this, man. 50,000 subscribers by February. Make that happen. Tell somebody to subscribe now. Back to the romantic thing again. Ladies, are you ready? If I had one wish, one... Hey, I got another channel for the extra footage at Novoo Pandorahh. Come on, let's do this. Banana chip! Can I sing to you?
Were you talking to her?
No, Tono. What? No, Tono the right. Can I sing to you?
Sure.
You ready? Don't video me. Just live in the moment. Yeah,
So
just...
you want to sing to me? I'm enough to show my friend them.
Why you want to show your friend them it's secret?
So why it's secret?
Cause I just want to live in the moment. Cause I'm a crush. If I had one wish, it wasn't ready to go. Don't act like you don't know. We're in the room, yeah.
Oh, guys.
I'm back at Kentucky for school. If I had one wish, one, and I got this. Can you take this? Can you take this? No, you don't want to take it. I better say if it's a bag of money. Oh man, love money, you know. Loving you.
This is some YouTube video.
It's easy cause you're beautiful. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. If I had one wish, one.
It weren't the same, yeah. You know, I'll stop for listening to hear my singing. Come on.
I hear the singing, but
You
I can't
couldn't
stop.
be my
You notice
nothing.
I have
Look at me.
Yes.
Look
you
and
notice
look
I have
at you.
load,
You're
I know
beautiful.
far I'm
Oh my
going.
God. Let me
Okay.
just pour my heart
Listen,
out to you.
You could be my
Remember the
son.
songs used to make rock away.
Which faculty are you in?
Days.
Eh, you're just walking away, left me.
Let's listen. Yeah, yeah. 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 Just hold the roll at the same time. Hold the roll at the same time now. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the rose on my shirt. Do you know believe in stories? Can I get a number now?
Nope.
Why?
You can't sing.
What?
You can't sing.
Who tell you that?
You do song.
Yeah. So you never that hear me? So you not sweep off your foot? What you know about singing? You hurt my feelings. Why you do that? After I just pour my heart to you.
Sorry.
You do sorry. Eh? Apologize to me. No, but you don't generally hear me sing this all ago. Are you a girl? Yeah, let's see no woman.
We have one YouTube channel.
No.
You don't have video or something, right?
Which part we have video?
We have one YouTube.
Lie she tell. She in a problem. You call me and say for come sing to you. Tell the man that. Hear me sing. Baby, I just can't get it. If I had one wish, one. Can we just talk? This before I never felt like this before. We just
You could have fooled me.
can we just talk? Dance to me now. Come dance to me now. What you mean? What you mean? Ooh. I in your midst, boy.
Do my video.
Them not video.
How you doing? Listen, baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume. Take my rose. The makeup, all the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, stick around. And I just don't know why. Oh, go on though. You like me singing? Just a laugh off of me. Some not sound good. Rate me singing. Whoa, I'm singing terrible. My heart broken. You know how much courage did it take for come sing to you a while ago?
So what are you doing?
Because I don't know, I just see you. I just want to sing to you. Yeah. Yeah. Give me up my rose. And go on, boy.
Happy. If I had one wish. Alright now, you have to tip. You have to tip me now. You have to tip me now. The activity we just do, enough money for it.
I agree, but
Yes.
we not stay that way there.
What you mean, $50?
We not stay that way there.
What you mean?
We just
So you remember lose my energy right there so over some broke people?
right.
Yeah, but you should have tell me say you don't have no money. You ain't go club.
I don't.
Cause your money not all, lady.
Right. So that may I try to tell you.
If I had one wish, one. Crazy. But you don't know how it feels. And I called you, baby. Can I give you this rose, yeah?
Me?
Yeah.
Why me?
You, because you're beautiful. Take the rose. What's your name?
Asia.
Asia?
Yes.
Asia, you have a Valentine? You don't have no Valentine. Why you think about it? Asia, don't stress me out to take my rose. So that simple me have to stay right there, so.
You can give it. I don't need to accept it.
Why?
I have a Valentine.
You
The
don't-
gesture is sweet.
You hurt me. You hurt me.
Then take it back
You
and give it to someone who
No, you hurt me.
Take it back to someone who won't hurt you.
See how many people laugh at me. Asia, why you do me this?
Take it.
Asia, why you do me this? I just dance for you and sing.
Pronounce.
How you pronounce your name? I'ma sing for you. Love it. Asia, give me back my flowers. Because I sing to you and you walk away.
So then take it back. You want me to drop it?
No, don't drop my
Don't
flowers.
drop it. I'm trying to give it back to you.
I'ma like your frame my glasses in a real contacts.
Thank you. Huh?
A real glasses that?
Take it back. Take back the rose.
Why you do this? I'ma give you my rose. My
So
rose
if
is
you
like.
walk away with the rose, you're going to cuss me saying me I walk away with the rose, but what you don't want to take it back. So what you want me to do? May I drop it on the ground and step on it if you don't take it back?
But you gonna hurt me, you wanna hurt
I'm
me?
going to hurt you the same way. Either way, I'm going to hurt you. So hurry up and make your decision. And I'm trying to do the best.
Can't have this dance?
No?
Where you want from me? Where you want from me? That me one. Where you want from me?
Why you ask me them something?
Yeah, because me I try to give you all. And you know I'm all. Yeah, give me a number. Lady, just sing to you. Stress me out just a while ago. It's not easy to sing them song here. Come, put in a number right now.
Sorry.
I'm gonna calm down. I'm too rough. Sorry about that. But you take my rose. Once you take my rose, I forgot. You see it? By your boyfriend there. Out of bag. So your boyfriend left you right there, sir? With a Pepsi and a water? With the food there? In Africa, Burger King in there, sir. Burger King no sell Pepsi and water? Eh? Lady, take time with the burger now. Looking so sexy and appealing. Whisper in her ear, me need some healing. Baby, please pull over. Sexy and a shilling. No, me never wake up this evening. Baby screaming. La 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 la. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Hi hi, may I sing to you? Just stand up now. You can't mama sing to you. Just stand up now.
Alright, you can
Stand
please
up.
let me go.
You can't mama sing to you. Lady, take my rose. Take my rose. Lady, you know say this is people. I better say another man for Valentine's Day. Hi shawty, can I give you this rose?
No, thank you.
Why your mouth full? Don't talk and eat.
No, I was.
I don't want you to talk to me with your mouth full.
No, I talk to you.
So walk away.
That's what I'm doing.
Why you always take so long for call me? When me have to wake up in the early morning. Hmm?
Do you know hablo English?
Ne hablo English? You don't speak English, lady? You tell me say you live in Jamaica and you don't speak English? So oh yeah, hear me right now. Yeah, wicked people. I don't want to hear in Spanish right now. I saw people stay. I saw no take with people, man. No hablo English. Girl come beat you. No hablo English. Yo, so thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you make it to the end of the video, just comment Bluebird. You see me I say, big up on yourself, more 5,000 likes for part 2. Akim, big up for the visual. If me have some extra footage, check out Novoo Pandorahh. Me have a vlog channel also, check it out. More want to know what's up my door. For those who have a relationship, I want to trust on a partner, WhatsApp me. Just that alone. No. DM me. Oh gosh, DM me. Instagram at Troubling TV. Follow me Instagram at Troubling TV. If you don't feel like on a boyfriend or girlfriend loyal, just DM me at Troubling TV and I'll put them to the test. Yeah? Big up on yourself. You're so Novoo. Hello, you know look up when you walk. You know see me that dance for you? You make me waste my time a while ago.
Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.